Welcome. In front of me is TCL 605, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password on your smartphone. Now if you forgot your screen lock password, then try to remember the password that you entered the last time when you successfully entered your device. And in case this password doesn't work for you in the normal mode, then you can try entering it in a safe mode just to ensure that no third-party applications affect your signing in process. So press power button with volume up key at the same time, then hold down the power off option, then select OK when you see a message like this, and then wait until your device reboots into the safe mode. And once you are in a safe mode, you'll be notified by this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now try entering your PIN code or your password in the safe mode. And just if you succeed, you can open the settings, then select Security and Privacy, go to Device Unlock, then select Screen Lock, and confirm with your password, and select None, and then delete your screen lock. And then simply restart your phone in the same way that you did it before, like this, and then just wait until the phone reboots. Now if you didn't succeed entering your device, signing into your device in the safe mode, in such case I suggest that you contact a TCL customer support service, tell them about your issue, and provide them with the proof of the ownership of the smartphone. After that, they will most likely be able to help you regain access to your smartphone without any further issues. Now if you can't do that, you still can perform factory reset operation that will erase all data from your device, but will 100% let you use your device again. Now to perform factory reset operation, you can either use Find Hub by Google. If you have a Google account connected to your device, just open the web browser on any other device, search for Find Hub service, then enter it, log in to the service using your Google Mail that is connected with this, basically your Google account that is connected with this smartphone. Then select this device on the list and select factory reset in order to erase all data from your device. And once the reset is complete, you'll be able to set up your device anew. Now if you can do this too, you can still perform factory reset locally using recovery mode. And if you need some help on your way, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation using recovery mode on TCL 605, so go ahead and check it out if you need it. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.